Today I tell you story of John Adam. My name is John Adam and I am from Sydney, Australia. I want to tell you a story about how learning English changed my life. When I was in school, I didn't care about English. I liked math and sports, but English, no way. The grammar was hard. I did not know how to say anything except hello. My English teacher said, Adam, you need to try harder. But I didn't listen. I thought, why do I need English? I will stay in Australia forever. When I was 16, I saw something that changed everything. I went to the airport to pick up my aunt. While I waited, I saw a group of cabin crew. They looked so confident and elegant, smiling and helping people. I thought, wow, I want to be like them. That night, I told my mom, I want to be a cabin crew member. I want to fly to other countries. My mom smiled and said, that's a great dream, Adam. But remember, you need to learn English. Her words staying in my mind. After I finished school, I applied for cabin crew jobs. I was so excited, but at every interview, they asked the same question, do you speak English fluently? I said, no, but I can learn. The interviewer smiled and said, we need people who can already speak English. I felt so disappointed. My dream was impossible without English. That day, I decided to change. The next day, I started. I didn't know where to be, so I used my phone to learn new words every day. Every morning, I stood in the front of the mirror and practiced saying, hello, welcome on board, and would you like something to drink? After 5 months, I applied for another cabin crew jobs. This time, I was ready. During the interview, they asked me, why do you want this job? I smiled and said, because I love helping people and I want to see the world. The interviewer asked more questions and I answered them all in English. A week later, I got a phone call. They said, congratulations, welcome to our team, Adam.